So in this video, we're going to be talking about why you shouldn't use Triac dimmers with LEDs. The first reason why Triac dimmers are bad, especially when paired with LEDs, is that they're leading edge dimmers. This means that they vary the point at which they turn on along the sine wave. This therefore means that a lot of the time they're actually switching on when there's already voltage present, and when paired with the inrush current of LED drivers, it can lead for detrimental effects. The second reason why Triacs are bad is that because they're switching on during volts, they are very noisy. It's the entire reason why they have this copper coil, to try and dampen that noise, but that in turn vibrates and just causes audible noise instead. The electrical noise in a Triac dimmer can be so severe that it often interferes with Wi-Fi and DAB. It's also worth remembering that Triac dimmers were designed in the 1960s and were never designed to work with LEDs.